For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, each new telescope revealing more of the universe's secrets. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye yet, lets us see the cosmos in infrared, unveiling the heat of distant worlds and the earliest stars. Built by thousands across the globe, JWS unfolded a million miles from Earth, its golden mirrors chilled to near absolute zero to catch the faintest whispers of the universe. With this tool, we're not just peering at distant galaxies, we're exploring our own solar system in ways never before possible. Let's turn JWS's gaze to Mercury, the Sun's closest companion, a small, dense world racing around its star. Once thought a dead, sun-baked rock, Mercury surprises us. It hides water ice in craters at its poles, shielded from the sun's relentless heat. Studying Mercury is tough. The sun's glare and gravity make close-up exploration a challenge. Yet, with its infrared vision, JWST can analyze Mercury's surface and thin exosphere, revealing details invisible to other telescopes. Scientists hoped JWST could solve the riddle of Mercury's polar ice. They pointed the golden eye at the sun-scorched planet. What it found was beyond anyone's expectations. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, turned its gaze toward Mercury's mysterious polar regions, areas shrouded in perpetual darkness. These are the planet's shadowed craters, hidden away from the relentless glare of the sun. These craters have remained untouched by sunlight for billions of years, creating some of the coldest places in the entire solar system. Here, in these frozen pockets, time seems to stand still, preserving secrets from the earliest days of our solar neighborhood. As expected, the telescope's sensitive instruments confirmed the presence of water ice, locked away in the eternal night of Mercury's poles. A remarkable find, but not entirely unexpected. But then, something astonishing happened. Amid the familiar signals, a new and unexpected signature appeared. A complex organic molecule, far more intricate than the simple compounds usually drifting through space. On Earth, molecules of this complexity are often associated with living systems. They form the backbone of life as we know it, hinting at processes far beyond mere chemistry. These weren't just simple chemicals but elaborate chains, potential building blocks for proteins or even DNA, preserved in the ancient frozen ice. Their survival in such a harsh environment is nothing short of miraculous. What made them even more intriguing was their structure. Unlike the random, chaotic molecules found on comets, these were organized, almost purposeful, suggesting a unique and possibly rare origin. How did these complex molecules arrive here? Were they delivered by a comet, or could they have formed in place through unknown processes? The questions only deepened the mystery. Against all odds, these molecules endured Mercury's brutal environment, shielded from the sun's searing heat by the cold, eternal darkness of the polar craters. Here, in the planet's most forbidding places, they found sanctuary. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, a monumental revelation. Complex ingredients for life, preserved on the planet closest to the sun, whispering secrets from the shadows and challenging everything we thought we knew about where life's building blocks can survive. Such a discovery should have made global headlines, but instead, there was silence. The world remained unaware of the monumental findings that could change our understanding of the universe. NASA withheld the data, double-checking every detail. They meticulously reviewed every piece of information, ensuring that no stone was left unturned in their quest for accuracy. Was it an instrument error? Contamination? They needed confirmation. The stakes were high, and the scientific community was on edge, waiting for definitive answers. Announcing complex organics on Mercury could spark wild speculation, claims of life, panic, or misunderstanding. The potential for misinformation was immense, and NASA knew the importance of a clear, controlled narrative. NASA wanted to control the story, to ensure the world understood this wasn't life, but it was the most advanced ingredient for life ever found off Earth. They aimed to educate, not alarm, the global audience. The implications were staggering, scientific, philosophical, even political. This discovery could redefine our place in the cosmos and challenge existing beliefs. Sometimes silence isn't conspiracy but careful preparation for a new reality. The scientists were not hiding the truth, they were preparing to unveil it responsibly. The world wasn't quite ready for what JWST had uncovered. The revelations were profound and the timing had to be just right, but the truth would not stay hidden forever. The dawn of a new understanding was on the horizon, and soon, the world would know. Discoveries like this remind us, no matter how much we learn, The universe is always more surprising and wondrous than we can possibly imagine. Every time we look up at the stars, we're reminded of how much there is still to explore, and how each new revelation can completely change our understanding of the cosmos. Each new tool we build, each new way we find to look deeper into space, redraws our cosmic map and challenges what we thought we knew. With every technological leap, from powerful telescopes to advanced satellites, we uncover mysteries that push the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. This quest for knowledge unites us all. It's the heart of what makes us human. Across continents and cultures, people come together driven by curiosity and a shared desire to understand our place in the universe. It's a journey that transcends borders and brings out the best in us. Learning about Mercury, for example, teaches us not just about a distant planet, but about our own origins, our vulnerability in the vastness of space, and our incredible resilience as a species. Each discovery on Mercury is a clue to the story of our solar system and ultimately ourselves. These revelations give us perspective, reminding us how small we are in the grand scheme of things, yet inspiring wonder and hope for the future. They encourage us to dream bigger, to reach further, and to never stop asking questions about the universe we call home. That's why we must keep building new eyes to see the cosmos, keep asking bold questions, and bravely face the answers, no matter how unexpected or challenging they may be. Our curiosity is our greatest tool, and it drives us ever forward. The story of the universe is just beginning, and Mercury's secrets are only one chapter in a much larger, ever-unfolding cosmic narrative. There are countless mysteries still waiting to be discovered, each one adding to the epic tale of existence. Our cosmic quest has just begun, the journey itself is the destination. As we continue to explore, we realize that the search for knowledge is endless, and that's what makes it so extraordinary.